Hi everyone! Today I got $1,000,000 pound cake for you. Let me show ya. I'm using 4 sticks of butter, which needless to say makes this a super rich pound cake. As you can see, it is pretty soft as well. I'm going to cream the butter until it is nice and fluffy, about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes or more, I say more like 10 minutes though, our nice creamy butter. I'm just scraping the bowl a little bit more. Now to this mix, I'm going to add 3 cups of sugar. And then I'm going to let this mix on medium speed. I'm going to start off a little slow and then kick it up. Butter, the sugar, nice and creamy. Look at that. Almost like ice cream. Now to the batter, which I'm scraping down the bowl just a little bit more. Then to this, I'm going to add 6 eggs, and everything is at room temperature. I'm going to go ahead and dump in this first egg, and I'm going to beat each egg in until the yolk, basically till the yolk disappears. Number 3, eggs are in. I'm going to stop and give our bowl and our batter thus far a good scrape down. Next, I have 4 cups of sifted all-purpose flour and 3/4 cups of whole milk. I'm going to add them. I'm going to alternate between the two, starting with the flour. Go ahead and scoop up a 1/2 cup of the flour, maybe a little bit more. Move my spatula. I'm being really messy today. And get that first cup of flour added. I'm going to be adding about a 1/3 cup of milk and more flour. More milk. And then I'm just going to keep alternating between the two, ending with our flour until they both are well incorporated. The flour and the milk, got them all in. I'm going to stop right here because I do not want to overmix my batter. And I'm going to grab my spatula and scrape down the bowl again. Look at that. All righty. For flavoring, I'm using 3 teaspoons of vanilla extract. The Recipe calls for 1, but I'm using 3. 1, 2, 3, and a few drops more. And 1, let me get this lid off. I'm using 1 teaspoon of almond extract. And I also want to use 1 teaspoon of lemon extract. And I'm just going to kind of work them in, the flavor in a little bit first. Kind of stir it in, like so. And then I'm going to give it a nice little slow stir with the mixer for about 30 seconds. Our batter and our bundt pan. Now this is a large pound cake, so you want to make sure you're going to be using at least a 12-cup bundt pan. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to spray this pretty heavy with some baking spray. Now I'm going to start lathering in my batter, which is a lot. I'm going to see if I can do it this way first. 1 paddle at a time. Got it all in. Now I'm going to swirl my spatula through it some. Kind of smooth it out over the top. Giving it a little shake and thump. Then I'm just going to take my rag and kind of clean up a little bit. Now this is going into the oven. It's a cold oven. It's going into a cold oven and it's going to bake on 300 degrees for 1 hour and 40 minutes. And after 1 hour and 40 minutes, our $1 million pound cake, y'all, all we gotta do is to let it cool. $1 million pound cake. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye-bye.